latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Many Indian cricketers, including present and former players, have slammed former cricketer Shahid Afridi for his comments on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. They say Afridi has crossed the line of decency while criticizing the Prime Minister and commenting on Kashmir. Recently, Afridi went to Pakistan-occupied Kashmir to supply relief material to the COVID-19 affected people. There he ended up making an unwanted statement on Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
लेकिन इससे बड़ी बीमारी जो है वो मोदी के दिलो दिमाग में है। वो बीमारी मजहब की बीमारी है। मजहब को लेके वो सियासत कर रहे हैं और हमारे ये 2 किलोमीटर पे जहां हमारे कश्मीरी भाई, कश्मीरी बहनें, बुजुर्ग हमारे, उनके साथ जो इतने अरसे से जुल्म कर रहा है वो आदमी, इंशाअल्लाह उसको इस दुनिया में भी जवाब देना होगा और आखिरत में भी जवाब देगा वो।
Controversial statement of Afridi has not gone down well with the Indian cricketers. Leading the charge against foot and mouth Afridi, cricketer turned politician Gautam Gambhir reminded him of the 1971 war. In his tweet, Gambhir says,
Pak has 7 lakh force backed by 20 crore people, says 16-year-old man, yet begging for Kashmir for 70 years. Jokers like Shahid Afridi, Imran Khan and Bajwa can spew venom against India and Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji to fool Pakistan people but won't get Kashmir till Judgment Day. Remember Bangladesh?
Indian opener Shikhar Dhawan also slammed Afridi for his comments. In his tweet, Dhawan says, when everyone is fighting against coronavirus, you are thinking about Kashmir. Kashmir was, is and will always be ours. Even if you get 22 crore, our one soldier is equal to 15 lakh. Ever since Afridi's ill comments on Prime Minister Modi, many have criticized former cricketers Yuvraj Singh and Harbhajan Singh for helping Afridi's NGO. After Afridi's comment on Prime Minister Modi, Yuvraj Singh and Harbhajan Singh targeted the Pakistan cricketer for his comments.
Really disappointed by Afridi's comments on our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. As a responsible Indian who has played for the country, I will never accept such words. I made an appeal on your behest for the sake of humanity, but never again.
Harbhajan Singh also lashed out at Afridi and said he will never ever support Shahid Afridi in any of his endeavours.